All right, welcome back to my channel. It's James, your new home realtor. We're back out at Massey Oaks, and this is another Meritage home. This is the cedar plan, and the windows in here are amazing. The light, I mean, it's so bright in here, it's amazing. And yeah, I think you guys are gonna like this one for sure. But what I do, these are quick move-in homes, ready to go. Anywhere that you guys are looking at, home builders, neighborhoods, you name it, I'll come out here and do this for you guys, so you don't have to load up the kids and bring everybody out here, especially when it's really hot outside. And hopefully you can get a really good idea on what is actually out here for sale for a quick move-in. So let's go take a look at this cedar plan by Meritage. All right, so that was another quick move-in home ready to go in 30 to 45 days. This one had a couple little things that they got left over to do, but they'll get it done and no problem at all. And of course, you're going to want to get your home inspection. So the home's going to be perfect by the time you're ready to go. So again, if you guys are in the market for a quick move-in home and you want to move in anywhere from 30 to 45 days, that's why I do these videos for you guys. I'm going to put my contact information right up there. And I want you guys to subscribe to my channel because I put up the most timely content out there. And you guys see a home you might want me to look at or online and you want to know exactly what it's like, give me a call. I'll come out here and video it for you.